Now that beveled end is at the bottom, I can pull this where I need to and reposition the log and set her down. So I can use the log hauler and at the same time use the picaroon here, pick it up and just bring it over to the woodyard. Make it nice and easy. Twice as efficient. As I had mentioned before, the Forester kit comes with the holster, or you could buy it as an accessory. But the advantage there is, if I need to do something like open up the tailgate of my UTV, all I need to do is position it there. My hands are free, and when I'm through, go right back. Super nice.